For this question, firstly, we need to draw the Cartesian plane of three vertices of a square, which is K, L, M, and N. So K is given to be 0.34. So we plot this point on the axis of y is to x, where 1 cm is to 1 unit. So 0.3 is here, x is 3, y is 4. For L, is given that x-axis, the x coordinate is 3 and the y coordinate is p, which is unknown that we have to find. And for M is -2, which is x coordinate, and -1, which is the y coordinate. So since it's given that KLMN is a square, which means that N is vertically above M and L is horizontally at the side of M. So which means that the x coordinate of M is the same x coordinate of N, which means that N x coordinate is -2, and the y coordinate of M is the same as the y coordinate of L. So which means that the value of P is equals -1, since it's a square, it has to be a straight horizontal line. For N, the y coordinate of N is the same as the y coordinate of K, which is 4. Therefore, P equals -1. So L equals to 3, -1, and N equals -4. For part B1, we need to calculate the area of A, L, and B. So we need to mark point A and B. For part 1, we need to mark point A and point B. So A is the midpoint of KL midpoint. So we know that the whole length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So the middle center will be 2.5 units to both sides. So this is 2.5 units, this is 2.5 units. Therefore, coordinate B is 0.54. For point A is the midpoint of NK. So we know that the length of NK is 5 units. So A is 2.5 units to K and 2.5 units to L, which means that x coordinate of K A is 3. So coordinate of A is 3, 1.1. Is 3, 1.5. For part B, 2, we need to calculate the area of A, L, M, and B. So you can use the shoelace method. So area of A, L, and B is half. So it's 3, 1.5, 0.54, which is point B, -2, which is N, -2, -1, which is M, 3, -1, which is L, and we go back to point A, which is 3, 1.5. So to calculate this, the method will be 3 times 4 plus 0.5 times 4 plus -2 times -1 plus -2 times -1 plus 3 times 1.5 minus 3 times -1 minus 3 times -1 minus 2 minus -2 times 4 minus -2 times 4 minus 0.5 times 1.5. So it's given as this. So now we just evaluate all these brackets. We get half times 12 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4.5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 minus 0.75 equals half times 43.75 equals to 21.875 units squared. So in 3SF will be 21.9 units squared.